Hi.
Damn, McDonald's crazy. We're about to go head to Shibuya. I've always wanted to check this new building that they made. It's an observatory kind of place. I always wanted to go there, so we're going there. But first, lunch. We're gonna get some lunch. But before that, I got some milkshakes because it's too hot. Today it's like, hey Siri, what's the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be 32 degrees.
Oh my god.
Will be 27.
Low 27, high 32.
What?
Oh god.
Mushi?
I don't know. Alright, we came to a Korean barbecue restaurant. We felt like we wanted to eat like a lot. Like a lot. I don't know how it's gonna be. It's really cheap here. Very cheap. Called which means cheap. What? Okay, that was a lot of food on my part. She didn't eat that much. We ordered quite a lot. I ate almost a third of it. And now we feel very full. So we decided we were at Yoyogi. It's close to Shinjuku. Now we decided to walk all the way to Shibuya, which is like 2 stations away. We're gonna walk there, lose some of the meat that we just consume, and Tokyo montage. We have finally arrived at Harajuku, the station after Yoyogi. No, before Yoyogi. Well, before. Next to Yoyogi. Now we're heading to Shibuya. So hot. I just put on the mask because more people are showing up around Harajuku. Very, very hot. Like if you can see my sweat, I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera.
Disgusting.
It's especially with the backpack. My back is gonna be really, really wet. Oh god, how are you? 暑い？
うん。
Alright.
あ、待ってねここさ、ほらなくなった。We're here in Shibuya. We finally arrived in Shibuya. We stopped by at some stores, so we took a little bit longer for us to get here from Harajuku, but finally here. It's so hot. It's crazy down here in Tokyo, especially with the mask. Just everybody is out. I do have to say though, it's basically like summer holiday, right? No. And also the Obon is when people go back to their hometown, go to their relatives or grandparents' graves and kind of give respect. That's this week, the whole holiday for this whole week. But there's quite a lot of people here in Tokyo. I would thought people would leave Tokyo, go back to their parents' place, but I'm assuming with Corona and all that, they're not allowed to leave Tokyo. That's what I'm assuming. The city is just
the heat wave is really, really bad. Just walking through a street, you didn't even tell me. Oh my god. Alright, here we are. We're heading to the Shibuya Scramble Square. It's what it's called. It's a brand new building in Shibuya. This whole place, as you can see now, it still is, has been in construction since I was here like 10 years ago. So they finally finished with one building, which is called Shibuya Scramble Square. And I've always wanted to go, but didn't know how, or well, basically I didn't know how to get there. I mean, I did, but you know, it's just I didn't took the effort to basically go. So you do have to pay to go inside, but that's alright. But this whole building is basically a mall. I thought it was gonna be like a office building. Most observatories in Tokyo, there are office buildings, and then at the top is mostly like restaurants and then observation deck. So, but this building is basically like a mall. From B2 all the way up to the 14th floor is it's a mall. And on the 15th is you can't go to the 15th with this. Or do we go to the 14th? Oh, okay. We gotta go to the 14th floor, get the ticket, and then we go up to the 15th floor. Okay. God, it's hot today. Okay, we just got up here, and wow, hold on. It's like we just got off a spaceship.
Yes.
It's a very futuristic, very honestly weird. It felt like I just went into Assassin's Creed kind of portal thing. My mind is very, very blown right now. This is it. We are outside. Well, not right here. We're outside. We are at the top. Oh, there's IKEA. I didn't know that. There's IKEA right there. Oh, this place. It's a brand new place, and the security or the thing that whatever they're doing to secure this place is very tight. I'm not allowed any tripod, so I'm holding this by hand. I need a strap that they give us to rent, but I do recommend to bring your own strap. You're not allowed a mic, but I did explain that this thing is like sealed on, and when I said that I couldn't take it off, so they said okay, that's fine, you can bring it on. So I got my mic on. That's the Yoyogi Stadium, I think. Yoyogi Park. That's Yoyogi Park. That's the crossing. I think we can see more upstairs. We can go upstairs. Yeah, let's go upstairs. So I thought it's like a grass thing that you can, but it's a helipad. This is a helipad. Everyone's sitting on the helipad. Look, I'm in the middle of the helipad. Right in the middle of it. Am I even allowed in the middle of it? There's a security guard right there. The sun's gone down a little bit. It's getting a little bit dark, and there's quite a lot of people here. More people than we. There's more people than we originally when we came. There's more people than when we came. That makes sense. Yeah. Go. Oh no. This dude's mask almost flew away. I guess we're leaving. It's getting a little bit humid up here. It's a little bit weird. You ready to leave? Was it nice? Was it worth 2,000 yen? Yeah, I didn't say yet. This place, when you want to come up here, it costs 2,000 yen. What?
For what?
Per person. That's 2,000 yen per person, and that's 4,000 yen for both of us. I mean, come on. I thought, it's, I don't know. I guess if you think it's worth it, it's worth it. But if you live here, you've seen the sights, you've been on top of Tokyo Tower. Have you been on top of Tokyo Tower?
Oh.
Oh yeah, so we've both been on top of Tokyo Tower. We've seen the sights. I don't know. It's a little bit expensive, but I wanted to come up here just to see what the new observation deck looks like, and it's alright. It's good. It's 2,000 though. Right? Yeah. Alright, let's go. I think we got back our 2,000, right? I just found this. We just came down from the 15th floor. I think we're on the 15th. I don't know. We just came down from the roof. And I just found this couch with the same view, and we're inside, chilled. Aircon is on. Why didn't we come here? Oh my god, so much better here. And we got this like really slick vibe of like spaceship. I prefer here very, very much than outside. Well, I mean, now it's more cooler. The sun's not out. But when we first arrived, the sun was out. It's very hot. There's a lot of people outside. But here, it's just very nice, very calm. There's a bar. It's there's a bar. Nice bar at the deck or at this top thing. It's very nice. I really like this place. Only worth 2,000 yen. I swear down, that's really getting to me. Okay. That was a very, very long day. Hold on, let me straighten this up. Focus on me. I think that's it. I think that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys actually come here if you guys have the chance to come here. It is still COVID, I think, around the world. So once it all clears out and the world is in a safe place again, we all should come together and come here. It's very nice. It's a brand new building. It's in Shibuya, so easy access. It's right behind the station. You don't have to pay 2,000 yen. God damn it, that's a big each. But if you do like get the ticket online, it is 200 yen cheaper, it's 1,800. Maybe noon. I recommend coming by noon. The sun is up, it's very nice. And then stay there for 2-3 hours and then sun will come down. But now we're going back home. We're gonna end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Marco's all the way down there, so I'm not gonna bother to call her. Yeah, I'm not. Okay, yeah. See you guys in the next one.